Okay, back to working on I got the pieces cut. I cut a total of 6 bottom braces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These are going to be my plates. I'm going to hot glue these on this one here and one on the other side. And then these will be the top plates that's going to hold down the base plate for the guide sandwich that'll go on the cog wheel. So I'll get back. Okay, I got them all glued in. Base plates right here. I got little screws in here in these little corners to be able to tighten this base plate down. And these move back and forth this way or this way and that way. And then once you find the right spot you want to on the cog wheels, and then you tighten these little nuts down right here, and that'll hold that base plate into position. And I got this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then I've got to work on these top two to draw them in. Once I get them in place, draw these two in together. Seeing that's got a spacer in here made out of plywood for the base, so the cog wheel can sit in here, and then we'll tighten up on top here. And that's what I have so far on these, and that should work. I can slide them in. I had to cut a groove in here to get it past the T-base right there. So right there, and I made these little 45-degree angle pieces here to help brace the base of this here. So yeah, looking good, looking good.